Hello, you're welcome. This is Tijo Digitals. Okay, in this brief video, I want to show you how to make somebody an admin to your Facebook page. To make someone an admin to your Facebook page. So the first thing is you go to Facebook, the Facebook app itself. When you are there, you need to navigate to the page. And to navigate to the page, you go here where you see your picture on this top right corner. Then you click this drop down to go to the particular page that you want the person to be admin. Take this switch in. Once you are in the page, then you can open it up this way. Okay, it's the page. And then the next thing is to click on manage, where you see manage here. Click on manage. In some accounts, it's showing right down here. You scroll down. If you can't find it here, then you can either find it here. Okay, this is page access. If you don't find it here, you come here where you see the settings and you click here. You see page access. You'll see take you to the same place. You take it here or you take it from down here. Just scroll down, you see page access. You click there. Okay, you're gonna see the various tasks. The first one, people with Facebook access. You will choose this first one if you want the people to actually be able to post and manage your page. You want them to actually post, be able to post normally as though you were the one, to be able to add other people and to be able to remove other people from the page. You can choose that. You can see that. As you see, you take on next, and then you type in the email or the name of the person that you want to be admin to your page. You simply take, let me try this person. Alright. Okay, take this. Now you're going to see down here, you see what the person has access to all this content, messages and calls, community activities, art, and insight. And then say allow this person to also have full control. If you click here, then it means the person has the right to manage almost everything. In fact, everything you are able to manage as the page owner, the person will be able to manage it. Okay. And when you are done, you simply click on give access here. And the person will need to accept it within 30 days for it to become active. Another way is to give task access. It means you simply want the person to perform specific task. If that's the case, you click here and then you take on next, and then you enter the name or the email of the person whom you want to perform specific tasks in your page. Take this, and then you see the various tasks that you need to give the person. Person who have insiders content and arts creation, content, and all the like. Or once you accept this one, the other ones go automatically accepted, and then you take on give access, and the person would need to accept at his own end before you'll be able to have access to this particular task. Simple as that. And once the person accepts, then the person will be able to perform those specific tasks. And once it's accepted, it will show below here. The number of people who have access to your page will actually show here or here. But for this page, I could see it's just one person with access presently to this particular page. Okay, thank you, and do not forget to also subscribe to our page, to our channel, our YouTube channel. and also endeavor to share it to others. Thank you. Stay blessed.